डिजिटलाइजेशन का ज़माना चल रहा है. We are continuously trying to convert our physical assets into digital form. First we did it with the share certificates. Then came along digital payments. उसके बाद we also introduced cryptocurrency. But now something even more mind-blowing has happened. Yes, now you can also buy digital art. पहले तो whenever we wanted some art, we could just download it from the internet as a JPEG. But now you will also gain the certificate proving its authenticity. और आप ये आर्ट सिर्फ हज़ारों या लाखों रुपए में नहीं खरीद सकते. For this, you might have to pay 5 crores, 10 crores, 20 crores or even more. Want to hear a shocking fact? This right here is an Indian-born entrepreneur known as Vignesh Sundara Sen. And this is a digital art for which he paid 500 crore rupees. First of all, let us understand what NFT means. So NFT stands for non-fungible token. सबसे पहले हम fungible का meaning समझेंगे. So according to the internet, fungible is something which can be easily replaced by another thing of the same type. So इससे आप समझ सकते हैं that non-fungible means something which is one of a kind or cannot be replaced. So let us understand the type of NFTs. जब मैं आपको वीडियो का इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहा था, I talked about digital art, but NFTs are way bigger than just digital art. NFTs can be anything related to music, art, videos or even movies. तो आप ये सोच रहे होंगे that if I can download this all for free from the internet, then why would I pay so much money just to have an NFT? तो चलिए ये समझते हैं. So many people like collecting stuff. People like collecting stamps, watches, cars, and these collectibles definitely increase in value over time. Same thing is believed for NFTs. People believe कि ये जो authentic NFTs होंगे are collectibles which will give them more profits in the future. अब आप जब एक NFT लेते हो तो वो जो क्रिप्टोकरेंसी का ब्लॉकचेन लेजर है उस पर रिकॉर्ड होता है. सो इट कैनॉट बी स्टोलन और इट कैनॉट बी लॉस्ट. तो ये एक NFT का एडवांटेज है. Another thing is you will be certified for the NFT. So it will be proven that you are the only and sole certificate holder and authorized holder of that particular product. क्या आप जानते हैं NFT was first launched in the year 2014, लेकिन इसका ट्रेंड सिर्फ 2021 में ही शुरू हुआ. The reason for its continuous trend is that many celebrities are now purchasing NFTs and are also making their own NFTs. One of the most popular NFTs which started the entire trend was made by this musician known as Grimes. After that came many other influential personalities such as Logan Paul, Elon Musk and Gary Vaynerchuk. Many people are thinking that NFT might just be a bubble, but due to these influential personalities, the NFT growth is reaching more and more people every day. Recently on May 5th, 2021, this man, Gary Vee, introduced his own platform known as VeeFriends, where he will be selling his own NFTs and whoever purchases it will be getting a lot of perks. Now I'll tell you how you can get a piece of the pie. तो अगर if you are someone who is interested in buying an NFT, मैंने जो sites mention की है आप उन पे जाके NFTs को purchase कर सकते हैं. But you cannot buy an NFT using dollars, pounds or INR. NFT में ट्रांजैक्शन करने के लिए you will have to purchase Ethereum cryptocurrency. You can find more about Ethereum, blockchain and cryptocurrency here. Now let's talk about the sellers. If you are someone who is into graphic designing, doodling, digital art, then this might be the best opportunity for you. NFTs बेच के you won't only get rich but also gain a lot of exposure. मैंने जो sites mention की है, just go on it and upload your NFT. But yes, there is a downfall to it. If you want to sell your NFT, you will have to pay a gas fee to the organization, and that fee is usually around $60. So if you are someone who are confident in your art, this is an opportunity, so do grab it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video और आप भी NFTs खरीद या बेच कर करोड़ों पति बन जाए. Well, we are not only making content on NFTs, We do make content on lot of topics such as share market, bitcoins, cryptocurrency, stock news, and everything related to finance. You name it, we might have it. So thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and comment related to any queries that you have, and I'll be happy to solve them. Thank you.